Hey everyone, this is Mr. Silva, and this is a recording for Keyboarding Day 3 for Computer Applications in Business 2. So in the last class, we talked about the home row keys, and we also talked about the importance of lining up our keys on home row in order to build accuracy and as well as speed. So our standard for this is that we're going to be able to demonstrate proper keyboarding while keeping fingers on the home row keys. Here's a look at our assessments again for this unit. This is in every PowerPoint that I do for this unit. There are 7 labs, the practice speed building activity, as well as the practice number pad activity. Additionally, the mastery assignments are the quiz K, the A to Z typing, and the mastery number pad. Here's a look again at the unit for keyboarding. We are currently on week 1, day 3, and we're going to talk about the top row keys today. So the top row key here highlighted in yellow is one of the more interesting keys to type or rows to type. I don't find it as hard as the bottom row, but it's again a lot of practice to get there. So the way that the top row works is you line your fingers up on home row. Remember, home row is the keys ASDF and JKL semicolon. Remember, your index fingers or pointer fingers go on the little notches on the F and J keys so you can find your home row. When you are typing the top row, it goes like this. Your left pinky will start on A and reach up to type the letter Q. Your left ring finger will start on S and will reach up to the letter W. Your left middle finger will start on D and reach up to E. And your right pointer finger is a little unique in this case because it needs to do double. Depending on what you need, the right ring or the right pointer finger or the right index finger, depending on what you call it, the left pointer finger, will reach up from F to hit R and T. Okay, that's your left pointer finger, and it's going to reach up to hit R and T depending on what you need. On your right hand, your right pinky will reach up from the semicolon to the letter P. Your right ring finger will reach up from the letter L to hit O. Your right middle finger will reach up from K to hit I. And your right pointer finger or right index finger will reach up and again do double from J and will hit U and Y depending on what you need for this situation. The T and Y keys, as I already announced, these keys do double work. These fingers do double work. So your index finger will reach up from the F and J to hit R and T on the left side and U and Y on the right side. So keep that in mind when you're typing the top row. The top row can feel a little awkward at first, especially because you have to do a little bit more stretching. But again, I don't think it's as bad as what it is for the bottom row. Practice is key, as usual, to make sure you get those fingers to stretch into those proper places. And don't be discouraged if it does feel a little bit awkward at first. So at this time, I would tell students to go ahead and practice. You always start on home row, so make sure you line your fingers up on home row. To reach on your left hand, it should be Q, W, E, R, T. And then on your right hand, it's U, Y, I, O, P. Okay. So to build accuracy, I would suggest you start with a blank Word document or start with a notepad file. See if you can type just some of the words in the home row and the top row only. And then try just looking at the screen. That's really how you build accuracy and allow yourself to build confidence and allow yourself to be able to type without looking. At this time, I would tell students to go ahead and complete Lab K3 for Computer Applications in Business 2. This lab is a review of just the top row keys, making sure you know which fingers go where and what letters are all in the top row, as well as practicing some words using the top and middle rows. All right, that does it for this presentation, but if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, you can email me at asilva@stluciecharter.org.